Hey, it's like after midnight, and I'm here. Yo, the cops were outside doing something. I bet they're harassing some black people or something. I have no idea what they're doing. Well, shit, I thought they was leaving. Yeah, they doing something. That guy standing there look like I don't know. Like, this is creeping me out. I feel like moving closer to see what the fuck's going on. Yeah, they just parked there. If they start shooting, my ass is booking out of here, even though I live right here. If that guy points at me, I'm fucking scared. I'm scared. Like, what the fuck? Imagine they do something crazy and I get this shit on film. What is going on, World Star? No, I'm joking. And that's the bar we live across the street from. Look at that meeting. Okay, I'm still outside and the cops are still outside too. It look mad creepy outside. This is... Okay, that guy is laughing too loud. Yep, it's after midnight out here. I'm trying to look casual as hell. Imagine if the cops actually, caught you videotaping and beating the hell out of somebody. Shit, can't even see. See? The cop car right there. Shit, I can't see shit. Oh, okay. Yep. That's where I live, right there. Okay, I think I'm gonna listen to some music and, I'm gonna have to redo a video later. So, okay.